Good morning. Myself, Dr. Radhika, working as assistant professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today's we discussed about watershed concept. What do you mean by watershed concept? Watershed concepts are fundamental to understanding how water moves and interact within a specific geographical area defined by natural topographical boundaries. Topographic boundaries nothing but slope of the particular boundaries. So, watershed concepts are fundamental to understand how water moves and interact with in a specific geographical area defined by natural topographical boundary. A watershed is also known as drainage basin or catchment area is an area of land where all the water that falls or flows within it drains to common outlets such as stream, river, lake or ocean. This is called as watershed concept. What are the watershed concept? It's a basic or fundamental process to understand how water moves and interact with a specific geographical area defined by natural topographical boundaries. Watershed is also known as drainage basin or catchment area is an area of land where all the water that falls or flows within drains to take a common outlet such as stream, river, lake or oceans. And then definition of watershed. What do you mean by watershed? Watershed is defined by high points or ridgeline that separate it from adjacent areas. It separated from high points or ridges area. It's separated from adjacent nearby areas. Water within a watershed flows downhill or following natural contours of land, eventually converging into small streams and rivers that feed into larger water bodies. So this is called as watershed. Again, I repeat, watershed is defined by the high points or ridge lines that separate it from adjacent areas. Water within a watershed flows downhill, following the natural contours of the land, eventually converging into smaller streams, rivers that feed into larger bodies. Then, characteristics of watershed. Topography. First one is topography is a slope of the land. The shape and elevation of the land within a watershed determine how water moves across the landscape. So slope, valleys and depressions influence the flow of water and the formation of streams and rivers. Then second one is hydrology. Waters are characterized by the hydrological process including precipitation, runoff, infiltration, evaporation and groundwater discharge. These are the hydrological aspects. The distribution and timing of the precipitation events after water availability and flow patterns within a watershed. Third one is vegetation. Vegetation covers within a watershed influences water retention, infiltration rate and stream flow dynamics. Forests, wetlands and grasslands play important role in regulating water quantity and quality. Then another one is land use. Human activity such as agriculture, urbanization, deforestation and mining can alter the natural characteristics of watershed, affecting water availability, quality and ecosystem health. Then functions of watersheds. What are the functions? First one, water supply, flood regulation, water quality, habitat, recreation and aesthetics. First one is water supply. Watershed serves a source of fresh water for drinking water supply, irrigation purpose, industrial process or ecosystem function. Then flood regulation. Watersheds helps regulate the flow of water, reduce the risk of flooding during heavy rainfall events by storing and slowly releasing of runoff. Then water quality. Watershed plays a crucial role in maintaining water quality by filtering pollutants, sediments and nutrients before they reach downstream water bodies. Habitat. Watershed provide diverse habitats for aquatic and terrestrial species, supporting biodiversity and ecological process. Finally, recreation and aesthetic. Watersheds offer recreational opportunities such as fishing, boating, hiking, and wildlife viewing, and then viewing as well as scenic landscape for enjoyment and tourism. Then management of watershed. Watershed planning, then land use management, restoration and conservation, community engagement. First one is watershed planning. Developing comprehensive management plan that address water quantity, quality, ecosystem health within a watershed. Second one, land use management. Implanting practices to minimize erosion, sedimentation and pollution from agriculture, urban and industrial activities. Then third one, restoration and conservation. The protecting and restoring natural habitats, wetlands, and riparian zones to enhance watershed functions and resiliences. Then finally, community engagement, engaging stakeholders, local communities, and decision makers in watershed management initiatives to promote sustainable water resource management. Thank you, one and all.